So she's going to tell us a little about Bold and the Beautiful. Let's give them a hand again, y'all.
Everybody will coming out tonight, okay? Listen, it's Bold and Beautiful Boutique, fifth one-time in person. We are proud to be here today, y'all, and we're nobody but God. We have stuff in our pipeline that's coming up for Bold and Beautiful Productions. We have our beautiful cast in the house. We're going to be awarding them tonight, coming from Monmouth to Western City. Y'all. Sitcom that's coming out. We'll start filming it soon. All with Banner Black TV, y'all. So, anything you want to say, Tika?
I just want to thank everybody for coming out. We still have Juliet Fashion coming up for y'all to watch. And if you haven't subscribed to Banner Black TV, please subscribe. That's when we'll be streaming our everything coming up. So if you want to follow us, you can follow us there. And I just want to thank y'all for coming out. Bye.